Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to make this kind of videos and help our clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rent of real estate properties in our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. I am now already next to Crevillente town, just 5 minutes by car to Crevillente town. And today, friends, we have a nice country house, a nice special offer, a nice country house that is located, as I told, just 5 minutes to Crevillente town, 10 minutes to Elche town, 20 minutes to Alicante, 25 minutes to the beach, La Marina Beach, for example, or Santa Pola. 30 minutes to Torrevieja. We are direct next to the halfway. It's very easy to take the halfway and go any place. We also have a train station 7 minutes from here, so very good area. And on this area we have a nice offer. We have a house, a country house with a plot that has 2,500 square meters size. The house had 121 square meter size. We have a guest house that has 31 square meter size, barbecue area, and one more storage room or workshop. So now let's start with the review. Follow me and I will show you the outside of this nice house. So this is the main entrance to enter with the car. All the territory is fenced, so it's completely closed if you have animals or for the security. And as I told, the plot has 2,500 square meter size. You have many areas to enjoy with a lot of shadow, a lot of nature. It's very nice here. Check out. The owner has spent a lot of time and love in the garden, and we have a lot of different trees, as lemon tree, oranges, nísperos, bougainvilleas, higos, and roses, flowers. So it's very nice. Check it out. All the garden has a watering system, and advantage of this house also that you have a drink water that you can use for normal life, and also special water for the watering. This is the terrace before the entrance of the house. On here we have the barbecue area to enjoy your barbecues, food and paellas. So following, as I told you, I have a lot of trees, nísperos. They are very tasty, and now is the season of nísperos, April, May. They are almost done and they are very tasty, typical Spanish fruits. So following, just quick, I will show you the back side of the plot, on which we have olive trees. Look how beautiful it is. You have a lot of nature to enjoy in this case. And well, now all this belongs to this house, to this property. And also a very good advantage of this property that everything is legal here, and everything is registered and is registered in the deeds and the cadastre. So you have no problems with something that is built without the permission. This is the guest house. So it's not completely done because the owner has bought another house in the mountains. It's our good client, and now he don't want to spend any time or money to finish the things, but everything is prepared, almost done. So this is the guest house. As you see, we have some furniture here, and this is a boiler that he will fix. And we have another fully equipped bedroom here. It's maybe not completely done, but it's good for the guest house, and you can even put on this part here a small kitchen. So, and now exiting the guest house, I want to show you on the right side we have small pool. The owner was not using it for a long time. It's a portable pool. And yeah, this guest house has 34 square meter size. And please follow me because I want to show you the workshop. You have some more storage places to storage things. And on here, friends, you have the workshop to put all your tools and everything that you need for the garden or for the house. And now, yes, this workshop has 23 square meter size. And now we're going to see the house that has 121 square meter size. And yeah, it has air conditioning. Water is heated by the solar panels or by the boiler, electrical boiler, and it's very nice from inside. You will see it's in very good condition. Follow me. And before we go inside the house, just check out this nice terrace. It's completely covered with the roof, and it has this nice wall with nature stones and wood. So yeah, it's a rustic, nice style. Come in, please. So now we're inside the house. It has good security doors. 1 year ago, the owner has made renovation. Here we have a new floor, new doors, new walls, new lighting, almost in all the house, new bedroom, double glass, good quality windows. Not the best, but it's double glazed, so good. On this case, chimney, and we have, of course, aircon machine, 2 aircon machines here, so you can use the chimney, or you can also use the air conditioning machine for warm, just a little bit when you don't want to use the chimney. So it's a lot of place. Let's start, I think, with the kitchen. We have a nice kitchen here, good size. Everything is included in price, the white goods and the furniture. As you see, it's sold as you see the property right now. On here we have small washing room. You can put another door here if you want to close it. It's possible, or use it as a storage. Then we have the bedroom, big nice bedroom with window, the aircon machine, and it's en suite, and it has a private bedroom. Following, we are going back to the living room, and we have a fully renovated bedroom straight here. Then one more bedroom with aircon machine and very big bedroom. Check it out, how big is it? And my apologize, I told by the beginning that we have 2 bedrooms on this house, but on this case we have actually 3 bedrooms, 2 en suite and 1 more that was there in the living room. And 1 more bedroom here. It's small. You can use it as office. It's not that small, but yeah, it's smaller than the others, and you can use it as the office or storage room. And by the end we have the last bedroom here that goes to the terrace part. Also nice size. So you have 4 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms on this nice house. So on this case, we have a nice house with big plot and good place and good condition for 215,000 euro. It's a very good offer, very good place to live, for have a holidays, and yeah, everything is close by. As you have seen, the inside of the house also good size. So have 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, guest house, workshop, nice garden. It's a beautiful house. So if you're interested on this property, don't mind to contact me to ask me questions about this or any other property. You have my contact details here. I will be glad to respond to you and help you finding the right property. Or if you're interested on this one, then don't mind to contact me. Subscribe this channel, share please this video with your family and your friends, and I see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios!